Are we inside a black hole in time-space universe? No, I know what I'm talking about. It's time-space universe. If you haven't watched my previous video about time-space universe, then I'm mentioning the link in the description. You guys go there and watch the video, and so that you can get your concepts clear, and then you can continue this video. Okay, all right. To begin with this, okay. So the time-space universe is the universe, where we have time acting same like as space, which is it doing in our universe. Like, we have three-dimensional freedom in time and 1D of space there we have, and that space continuously move, like, continuously flows like what time does in our universe. So we have the roles exchanged. The same thing what happened in our universe as well, because when a space-time enters into black hole, what we get is, a space-time flip you get there. So what happens there is that, the space exchanges with time, and time exchanges its role with space. So, we have role interchange there. So when the space-time, which our universe is space-time continuum. So when the space-time continuum, that's the other part of it, let's say enters a black hole, that the space-time doesn't stay space-time, just that, what happens that when it enters a black hole, what happens that the space changes its role with time, and time changes its role with space-time. So space-time becomes time-space. But in time-space universe, where we already have the time-space thing, a black hole in time-space thing would be act as an agent to switch that again to the normal space-time. Now, the normal space-time is what our universe is. So if, let's say, we somehow could accommodate our universe, in that space-time part of a black hole, which is nothing but a black hole in time-space universe. Since that black hole in time-space universe switch the time-space universe there, and time-space coordinates in that universe there into the space-time coordinates, we can't really differentiate it there, because at least at our local scales, we can't really differentiate, because what we have available there is, although it's a space-time, it's the time-space universe, which has completely switched roles of space-time than our universe, where exactly it is here. But in that universe, what we have is that we have like same kind of feeling, or the same kind of thing, what you say, space-time inside a black hole of time-space universe. So our universe, we have to investigate that our universe is inside a black hole in time-space universe. So let's say we make what do you say, in future, like if we made an observation, like some part of a universe seems to be behaving something differently, which is expected in time-space universe, something like that, then we can discover that yes, our universe is located inside a black hole of time-space universe.